Hey guys, welcome to this video, and it's time to do the gaming performance test on Huawei Y7 Prime 2018 model. Now this phone actually has Snapdragon 430 processor, 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. Now with a better processor and more RAM, I expect to get a very good gaming performance, or a very decent performance at least. Now there is one more feature that Huawei has added here, and this is this game folder. Now if we go in this folder, you actually see two settings down here. So we have got a smart mode. This actually balances between power saving mode as well as the best gaming performance that it can provide. And then we have got gaming mode, that is the optimized mode, and it provides absolutely best gaming performance. And finally we have got power saving mode. Now this actually conserves power and may affect the performance of the game. Moving on, we also have got another mode here. So this mode is actually called uninterrupted gaming. So what it does is that it turns off any notifications while you're playing the game, so you will not be disturbed by any kind of notifications except for calls and alarms. And I can't help but mention here that Huawei has lifted this feature right off from Samsung devices, where they offer game launcher, which also offers exact same features, and they have been doing it for years now. But anyways, let's go ahead and play a game, and I'm going to play as Fault 8. And first I will try to play it in power saving mode, and then I will play it in gaming mode. So you will clearly see the difference between these two modes and how the gaming performance is. So let's go ahead and start this game in power saving mode. Now we will see that how long it takes to load the game in power saving mode as well as in gaming mode. How is the speaker performance? It's down here, so it will get muffled while playing the game, as well as we will see if it gets hot while playing the game. So let's claim the prize for today. Let's go straight away in career mode and launch this game here. So you can already see that it's taking some time to load the game, and there we go. And I already see some lag and stuttering, some frame drops. It's all there. But anyways, let's play the game and take a look at the whole experience. So there is a lot of stuttering here, there's a lot of lag in this mode, but the overall performance is quite good. I don't mind it, because you also have to see the device and the price of the device and what category it belongs to. And when you take all of that into account, it's actually quite good even in the power saving mode. But we will see how it does in the gaming mode as well. So there we go on the finish line. Now let's play this game in the gaming mode, which is the best mode to play games in. It does not limit the gaming performance at all. So let's go ahead, and we will also compare the times of launching the game, because the power saving mode took a bit longer, but we will see how this one goes. It has actually started the game much quicker. So let's get into it right away. So let's play this one. and hopefully it will provide us with a much better gaming performance. Now the device is also getting warm up here on the top side around the fingerprint scanner and around the camera, but it's not uncomfortable. And I have also managed not to muffle the speaker all this time, so that's also great. So straight away you notice that there are frame drops, but it's much smoother now. It's much more lag free and game is much faster and passes by much more smoothly. So that's the difference that you notice straight away when the game turns on. The performance is much more zippy, it's much more responsive to your touch, and the graphics are also really fast now, much more smoother, less lag. But we'll see how it goes along as the game progresses through the lap. Now if you do indeed cover up the speaker, it completely obliterates it and no sound comes out. So make sure that you're not covering it, otherwise there will be no sound coming out of the game. It's not that it's perfect, I can still notice some frame drops, some lag here and there. So it's far from perfect, but it's much better than the power saving mode, I have to say that. And I think for a device in this price range and in this category, it's doing pretty well. It's holding up really well. And Asphalt 8 is actually a pretty graphic intensive game and takes in a lot of resources, and to have this performance in this price range is great. So that's about it. That was a very good gaming performance in the gaming mode. So that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any questions about this device, you can let me know in the comments, or you can catch me on Twitter as well. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.